Hi friends, this is FirearmPop, and I have something interesting to show you today. I have decided to put some of my vintage firearms on the sale table at the gun shows. And so in order to do that safely and to stop everybody from racking and dry firing, I built this little showcase. And so I guess this video is to do two things. One, to show off the showcase that I made, and also to review the guns that are in it. Now I understand there's plexiglass on the top, and I am getting some, what do you call that, shadowing. But anyway, we're going to work through the plexiglass, and I'll turn it around, I guess, at the end and open the door and show you closely. So this is what the customer's viewpoint would see of the guns. Let's move closer. Okay, so right down here in the beginning, we have the Mauser C96 Bolo, or broom handle as it's called. Okay, and that's sitting there, and there's the stock for it. So it actually becomes a rifle type of weapon, and it's also a holster for it. And there is, as you can see right above the muzzle there is the clip to load it with. It loads right inside that magazine that's there. Anyway, let's move right up along. There's the P64, better known as a Makarov, and that's going to be up for sale. And another one of my prized possessions is my Smith & Wesson Pre-Victory. This is chambered in Smith & Wesson 38, and that's quite an old gun. Lots of stamping on it. It has seen a couple of wars. Okay, let's move right up along, and there's the Tuckeroff, and that's going to be up for sale, as well as my CZ52. Again, all these qualify under the CNR license, which is Curios and Relics. And as we move right up along here, try to get rid of the glare for you, is a CZ82, and that's has a holster and comes with one mag. And then, right last but not least, my Russian Nagant. It's a model 1895 revolver. Interesting weapon, to say the least. And I've done videos on all these, so if you wanted to learn more about these guns, you can go through my channel and see the videos that I've done for them. What I'm going to do at this point is going to stop the video, and I'm going to turn this around and open it and show you the other end. Here we are back at the other end. This is the way I do have locks for these. I can show you here. Just to keep hands out. Not that they can't pick up the whole case and run with it, but so this would open up, and you have access to all the weapons this way, and probably a lot clearer view of the guns. And I'll just do a quick scan for you without looking through the plexiglass. Okay, that's basically it. Kind of showing off two things. My Curios and Relics collection, as well as my new showcase that I'll be showcasing at the next gun show, which is going to be in Oaks, Pennsylvania. That's right outside of Philly, and that'll be in October 5th, the weekend of October 5th. But I'll do an announcement video for that the week before. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it interesting. This is FirearmPop. You be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.